Parma, Ohio. Heating Contractor License Bond. What is the Parma, Ohio Heating Contractor License Bond? A heating contractor license bond in Parma is a type of surety bond required for contractors who install, repair, or maintain heating systems within the city. It is a three-party agreement between the contractor, principal, the city, obligee, and the surety company that issues the bond. This bond guarantees that the contractor will follow all local codes, regulations, and licensing requirements. Why is Parma, Ohio heating contractor license bond required? The bond is required to protect the public and the city from financial loss caused by faulty work, code violations, or contractor misconduct. It ensures that heating contractors operate professionally and comply with Parma's building and safety standards. By requiring this bond, the city promotes trust, accountability, and quality workmanship in heating-related projects. How does Parma, Ohio heating contractor license bond work? If a contractor fails to meet local regulations or causes damage due to negligence, a claim can be filed against the bond. The surety company may compensate the affected party up to the bond amount, ensuring financial protection. The contractor is then responsible for repaying the surety for any claims paid, making the bond a form of financial guarantee rather than insurance. To know more, please visit swiftbonds.com.